I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to connect a domain to your website. And before we proceed, intro. This is the Builderall dashboard. On the left would be the menus or where the features are located. So in order to connect a domain, we go to Builders, which is the first menu, and then drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and then My Sites. So for the sites, you can view it through grid. Alright, so here's the grid view and by list. Alright, now let me show you how easy it is to connect a domain to a website. So here's one website I'm working on for a client. So to connect a domain, there are three dots on the right. You just have to click on that and then connect domain. So from here, create a name. So let's go with demo for now. And I'll just use my domain name for one of my companies. Alright, so whatever your domain name is, just put it here. Okay. So this one is a sample of a subdomain because I'm using my own domain, all right? iFreedomBlueprint.com. So this will be connected to my domain. But if you want your own domain, this is how you do it. You just have to put in or type in your own domain. Okay? So where do you want your website published? Normally I go for CDN, all regions, okay? So it doesn't get published on a specific country only or location. So Builderall also has the option to buy you can buy your domain through them as well. So again, in order to connect a domain, let's do this again. Just choose the website. On the rightmost, three dots, connect domain. Just type your domain here, whatever your domain name is, okay? So whatever brand you have, okay? This is where you type it, and then you just choose save. And that's it. That's how easy it is to connect a domain with a website on Builderall. So if you have any questions or anything you need to know or you want to learn more, just comment below, or you can also message me on my Facebook page, okay? And I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it for you just to show you how it works. And don't forget to check my bonuses. I have a free email marketing masterclass which is for more than an hour. I have a high converting sales funnel and a high open rate headlines which you can use for your websites, landing pages, and even your subject line, even as subject lines for your emails. Okay, and be sure to connect with me on social media. So that's about it for this video. Just like that, this one's over, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.